Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from XIAOMI device to Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. You need to start by opening Play Store on both of them and tapping on the search bars. Then type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Now you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow, then do exactly the same on XIAOMI. After that, select Receive on Samsung and Send on XIAOMI smartphone. Then tap on all of those dots and select Send over here. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them later on. It will take a long time to do it now, so I will go with only this one photo. Choose Send and click on Got It. Now on Samsung, select No Thanks and close this window. Finally, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on this scanning icon on Samsung, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also input this key over here instead and tap on Receive. As you can see, after that, in the matter of seconds, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!